What's going on, everyone? I hope everyone is doing well. For my first craft here, I'm going to take these little bells here and these plant saucers. They come 3 a pack for the 125, and then since I had 3 of those, I was able to catch 3 of those. These are extremely hard to find, I am not gonna lie. But I found this at one store and this at another store, and I'm just going to take this simply and going to be able to set that on top of that and take that like so. But the first thing here is these stickers, and so what I'm going to try to do is saturate it with some Windex to try to loosen it up, and then try to make it, you know, so it won't be so messy. Maybe put a paper towel over it and then try to get it off. But that is going to be my first mission there. Okay, so my theme for crafting this year has been use what you have. Yeah, absolutely necessary to, you know, buy something new than do. So I used the Windex on here and let it sit and apply that method. I'm still having problem. I may try rubbing alcohol. I don't have any goo gone or any kind of thing like that. I need to get some, you know, in the future. But right now, you know, doing it more and more, applying, I'm putting scratching on it, and I just, you know, don't like the way it's going. And then just the effort. I want to, you know, move on and get it done. And my hands, prescribers out there, I have arthritis pretty bad, and you know, it's just not worth the time. So I was thinking of maybe placing this in the back. And this is an example, you know, just to say, hey, somebody else may just not even want to fool with trying to get it off. Putting something in the back and then just having that as the back of it, and maybe piecing, you know, something like that, and following up. I may even do something like that, which is an example I'm thinking about doing, because as I said, just the effort of trying to scratch it off is a little bit too much for me. So I'm probably going to do that, but I'm going to work with the process. Okay, so here I am taking the sticker off the bottom of the saucer, and I think I just kept this clip in here just to show how easy that sticker was to come off. And then the sticker that held the 3 of them together just came off like butter. So I think that is why the other one was bothering me so much, because it's one of those stickers that is so stubborn. But I got it together. You improvise, and that is what crafting is all about. So here I am just showing my method for just making the little thing that I'm going to cover, and I'm going to put that on the outside of my craft here. And I use those circles, those round circles, styrofoam there. And then I'm showing you, I'm just going to use the skewers and cut them in half. You have to cut them by size and measure up. I'm doubling up on my glue here. I used 2 glues there just to make sure that it's good. I didn't want to bring out the glue gun, of course. I didn't want to get it all hot and go melt through the plastic, so I just used 2 glues there to double that up. But it was saying about the skewers, you want to make sure that what you have is not going to be too tall, so you have to take the bell. I should have used some glue dots on here. I figured that out after the fact, because that was so easy, but I used tape on this one and it was messy. So you improvised. I just used some ribbon, and I actually love that this lacy ribbon just kind of curls up and just gave it a nice finishing effect on there. And then the pieces that I used in there were some Bath and Body personal, not Bath and Body personal care products that I included, and the one up there with the little tape coming off that was kind of heavy, and I learned my lesson for that. But it's good to show that you know would use some softer, lighter weight products. But I think it still turned out really cute, and I used 2 pairs of nice warm fuzzy socks at the bottom for effect, and I left my envelope back there with the card so it wouldn't be too hard to get into. I hate that when you're just scrounging around for the card. So I think that this was cute. I always try to give things that I would love to give myself, and then stuck a Valentine's Day balloon at the top. So if you like this craft, please give me a thumbs up. It doesn't cost you anything and it helps me out. And I'll see you later, Craftinista.